Hey everyone, welcome to Bucks 3D's YouTube channel. We are a store based out of Warminster, Pennsylvania, where we teach people how to use 3D printers. The main focus for us is Bambu Labs printers because they seem to be the most popular consumer grade printers out there. So in this video, we're going to be teaching you how to install Bambu Labs Studio and also explaining what Bambu Labs Handy is. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure you're on bambulab.com, and you're going to see at the top we have a bar with a bunch of options. We're going to go over to software. Now you're going to see when we hover over software, we have Bambu Studio, Bambu Handy, and a bunch of other options. Bambu Handy and Bambu Studio are the only ones you need to know about as a beginner getting into 3D printing. Bambu Studio is for the PC, where you're going to be doing all of your slicing and all the adjusting to the models that you're working with. Bambu Handy is for your phone app. So on Google Play or the App Store, you're going to want to download this so you can manage your prints. And also, if you have a camera on your printer, you'll be able to see it through that app. All right, so we're going to select Bambu Studio. And you're going to see we have a couple options. We have Bambu Studio for Windows and for Mac. We're going to go with Windows, and you'll see on the bottom there's beta software as well. So sometimes when they come out with new features, they'll have a option to use the beta. For now, we're going to use just the standard Bambu Studio. So we're going to click Windows, and it's going to install. Now, if you have any questions about how to install it for Mac or Linux, leave them in the comment section below. Now we're going to click Install for Bambu Studio. You're going to see it's going to prompt us. We're going to select Yes. And then we're going to go to Next, we agree, and install. Now it's going to install all the settings that you need for Bambu Studio, like different filament presets, etc. All right, once it's installed, you're going to push Next, and you're going to push Close, which will automatically run Bambu Studio. All right, so once it's installed and opened, you're going to see that it's going to pop up with a couple options. Now, since I've already installed Bambu Studio before, it's not going to give me those starter options, but you're going to select the printer that you have and, North America or wherever you're located, you're going to select that location. So then you're going to log in and register, and you'll see it's going to pop up with either email or password you can do. I'm using Google, so I'm going to select Google. All right, so now what's great about Bambu Labs is that everything gets saved into the cloud. So basically, I have all my presets, all my filament presets, and any printer presets that I have. So that will be, settings for certain walls or how thick my layer height is. There's a lot of different options, which we'll get into in other videos, but I'm just going to select yes. And now that we have all of our presets loaded in, you're going to see everything on the left side here with our printer, our bed type, the different filaments, and a bunch of different settings that look super overwhelming, obviously. We're going to go through another video starting at the top here, all of these settings and the left side. If you have any questions about the install, leave them down in the comment section below, and we'll see you in the next video.